Right, Joanna. So let's get our shake on for this. Ready? One, two, three, four. All right. So alternating bass. So remember the rule for how you find that one, right? The bass note, the main bass note of any chord, is the low note that has the same name as the chord. Okay, so there's C, right? We've got our note on this. So what note is this? That's an E, right? So that's not it. So this third fret on the A string, so that's A sharp, B, no B sharp, so C. So there's your main bass note, okay, for this chord. So that's the one you always start with, okay? Now, the alternative one, or the other one, right, is always either up a string and on the same fret, or, if that's not there, down a string and up 2 frets, okay? So for C, then you wouldn't, obviously you're not going to go up here with it, right? So you're just going to go. Now for G, remember, so you can't go, so here's your main bass note, okay? You can't go up a string and on the same fret, but going down a string and up 2 frets is a bit awkward too. But what you can do, you can get that same note with the open D, okay? So then you would go like this. So 6th string, then 4th string. So the one we were doing was just A minor, or E minor, I should say, A minor, B7, back to E minor. So that's this one here first. That's our main bass note, the E note. Then look, down a string. So down a string, 2 frets up. There's our other one, right? A minor. So now there's our first string, our first bass note, I should say. And then that you can either go down a string and up 2 frets, so you could do this, or you can do both, right? So you could just, you're on the open 5th string, so you go up a string, same fret, also open. So that would be, okay, then B7. So B, it's a B chord. So what note is this? That's A string, 2nd fret. So A sharp, B. All right. So then we've got, so then again, you're not going to go down a string and up 2 frets on this one, right? You're just going to go up a string, same fret, okay? Okay, so remember now, we're going to do E minor, A minor, B7, E minor, and then repeat. So that means you're going to have 2 E minors back to back, okay? All right, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent. So here, see how you get on with that. And remember, you can do that with any chord at all. A major, let's say. There's your A note, up a fret, same fret. Or up a string, same fret. Let's say, I don't know, F sharp major. So that's E major, taken up, string like that, bar chord. There's your bass note, down a string, up 2 frets. There's our second note. All right, see you get on. Talk to you next week.